my channel. It's your girl Tiffany. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe because we lit on these sides. Okay, so in this video I will be doing an unboxing for Mizani products that they sent your girl. And we'll also be doing a demo and review. So I'm going to start off with using, first of all, look at this packaging. It's big, you guys. Get ready for it. Oh. So Mizani gifted your girl 10 products and I will be using 5 out of these 10 products. So first, to start off with, I will be using the Gentle Clarifying Shampoo in the shower and the Moroccan Clay Steam Mask. So let's get into this video and let's get into the shower. I'm using Mizani Moisture Fusion. This is how it looks on my hand. As you can see, I'm just running my hands through it, getting it all soapy, washing it out, rinse, rinse. Ooh, you guys see that definition? Okay, goals. Now I'm gonna be using Mizani Moroccan Clay Steam Mask. As you see, I'm putting it in my hair. Now I'm detangling it. I like to section my hair in 4, letting it sit for about 5 minutes. Now I'm taking it out. This is how it looks. Now I'm washing it out. This is how my hair looks with all products completely washed out. I just finished washing my hair. This is how my hair looks after washing my hair with the conditioner shampoo. Okay, so after I use the leave-in condition, which is the leave-in condition Miracle Cream. Now I'm gonna get some of the 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil. Do 2 scoops. Put that on my hair. Then I'm gonna get the Mizani True Textures Curl, Coils, and Wave Style. Use a little bit, a little goes a long way. Put a little bit more gel at the ends. Do a little curl. And that's it. And just keep doing that for the whole twist. So far, my hair is completely dry. I have in about 22 twists, so now I'm about to just take out all the perm rods and undo my twist. Y'all see the shrinkage? Shrinkage is real, my friend. So real. Okay, so I finished picking out the side of my hair with my Afro pick. Now you guys can see uniform, ununiform. Which sides you guys like? Yeah, I'm a fan of ununiform. So yeah, that's literally all I do. Like, this was like one single one out of like 2. Okay, it's funny how I describe it, but I just like pull it out. You guys, like, I'm feeling my twist out, twist out, twist out. Like, come on, like, do you see me? I'm giving you Tracy Ellis Ross. I'm giving you a dash of Diana Ross. Like, Call me Tiffany Ella Ross. But for real though, Mizani, I see you guys, because this twist out is the bomb.com. Okay? I'm gonna just let y'all take this in one last time. Alright. Enough of it. Okay. Alright, you guys, so now I'm about to get into the review of the products that I used. Woo! Child, this box is heavy. Woo. They gave me a little note. It says my name on it. Your girl's official. So I used their Mizani Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. My opinion, it was really good, you guys. Like, it was soapy and everything. I don't know, for shampoo, some people don't like them being too soapy. I personally like them being like soapy. I like to see the fuzz and everything in my hair. And it was gray, which was cool. Like, yeah, it was cool. The shampoo was great. Felt all the dirt and buildup out of my hair, so that was cool. Oh, it's made with charcoal and a coconut clarifier. So this Gentle Clarifying Shampoo is $24. You could find it online or at Sephora. Next, I used the Mizani True Textures Curls and Coils and Waves. It's a Moroccan clay steam mask. So I didn't steam with it when you're supposed to, because I'm just so impatient. But what I did let it sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, which it tells you to in directions. Just they want you to like be under a steamer. I didn't do that part, but it was a really good deep conditioner. It defines my texture, which it says, so that was good. And it feels really soft, smells good. It's kind of like pudding, but it's a clay mask. Moroccan clay steam mask is $30. This conditioner also came with the card as well, with everything listed on the back, which you see on the back of the bottle as well. Another product that I used on my hair was the 25 Miracle Cream 25 Benefits Leave-In. And this leave-in conditioner was really good. You know, you just squeeze it out like that. And it's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for this, and it's 8.5 fluid ounces. I liked it. It felt like milk on my hair. So the next product I used was their 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil for all hair types. It's a nourishing hair treatment with sunflower, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. Cute bottle, and you just squirt it. Came with a card as well. This oil is a part of their 25 Miracle collection. So all you have to do is to use it, you just apply it with wet hair or dry hair, and it adds moisture, shine, and to tame flyaways. Do y'all see the moisture? Do y'all see the shine? Cause honey, I do. This oil, boop, boop. And I like that the oil was lightweight as well. It wasn't heavy, so that was good. Like literally 2 pumps goes a long way. That's all you need. The 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil is $20. Now the next product I used, which was the last product, I use this as my styler. It's the Mizani True Textures Curls and Coils and Waves Style Twist and Coil Jelly. So this styler is mostly for twist outs. What I did. It was a really good gel. You guys can see. It smells good. One thing, all their products smell really good. Like their products smell like the tropics. Like it smells very tropical, hence all like the coconuts and everything in them. I feel like I'm on the beach, going to like Barbados or Jamaica or St. Lucia right now. But yeah, the gel, it's did its job. A little goes a long way, you guys. The Twist and Coil Jelly is $18. All these products were good, you guys. Literally all of them. Price point wise, the prices aren't bad because as you see, these are a lot of fluid ounces that you are getting for your price point. So I would say it's price friendly, and you already know over here we like price friendly products, okay? I like a lot for my buck, so this big shampoo is going to last me when it's $18 compared to shampoos that are this small. So Mizani is price friendly, you guys. Get you some. Thank you, Mizani, once again for gifting me 10 products. Cannot wait to use all of them. I only used 5 products out of the 10, but look out for the next video. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you will not miss another one of my videos, because you know we pop in on these sides. Like, get with the gang wave. See you, beautiful people, in my next video.